In this video, we'll show you a new feature for SONOFF Zigbee Dongle, a free and easy way to bring your Zigbee devices into Apple Home and other Matter platforms. Step 1. Prepare the hardware. Before we begin, you'll need a Windows or Mac computer, a SONOFF Zigbee dongle. For this demonstration, we'll use Windows. If you're using a Mac, you can find the installation guide in the video description. Step 2. Install eWeLink Cube. First, visit the Cube OS release page and download the one-click installer for Windows. Double-click to run the installer. The installer will automatically check whether VirtualBox is installed on your computer. If it isn't installed, simply follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Next, configure your virtual machine settings. You can leave the USB network adapter option unselected. This will not affect the setup process. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once finished, the virtual machine will launch automatically in VirtualBox. After startup, you will see the Cube OSIP address displayed on the console. Open your browser, enter the IP address, and access the Cube web console. For first-time access, you'll need to register. Enter your password twice, then click Login. Step 3. Set up the dongle. Now plug in your SONOFF Zigbee dongle. Cube will automatically detect the dongle and display a setup prompt. Simply click Setup and the configuration will be completed automatically. Step 4. Add and sync Zigbee devices. Put your Zigbee device into pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the device to Cube and sync it through the built-in Matter bridge. Once the device appears in Cube, go to the Matter bridge and generate a pairing QR code. Then open your preferred Matter platform and scan the QR code. You can use Google Home, SmartThings, Alexa, or Apple Home. Your Zigbee devices are now available in your Matter platform and can be controlled just like native Matter devices.